Before we dive into the full process, if I need to create an invoice quickly, is that possible? How long will it take?
Absolutely, Sophia. We can create an invoice in just a minute. Simply click on the Invoicing app on the left panel and select Create.
I see a simple form, and after entering the customer's name, it prompts me to create and edit their details. This opens a customer card where I fill in the minimal information, such as the customer's sales tax number, phone number, and email. Is that enough?
Yes, you can use or skip any details you need, except for the customer's name.
I also see the invoice date. Can it be set in the past?
Yes, you can set up the invoice date to a past date if needed. Don't forget to select a due date or set payment terms to have it automatically calculated.
Done. I see a currency field here. I guess I can create an invoice in a foreign currency, but for now, I'll keep Canadian dollars. I'm trying to add an invoice line, but I don't have any products in the system. I need to create a service, for example, for assembling office furniture.
In a simple way, just enter the name of your service in the product field and press Enter. That will be enough for now.
Alright, I added a quantity of 5 and a price of 100 Canadian dollars per unit. I see that the HST tax is applied. Can I change the tax for this line?
Yes, you can clear the tax or select any applicable taxes as needed directly in the invoice lines. You can also set up default taxes in the product catalog for each particular product. However, if you need to manage taxes depending on a delivery address, we'll discuss that in our next video. To our viewers, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it.
Before I click on Preview, should I save the invoice first?
In Odoo 16, it's already saved as a draft automatically, so you do not need to do it manually.
The preview looks good. I'm satisfied it was quick and easy, and the invoice looks professional.
Great! Now please click on Confirm to assign a number to this invoice and post it into accounting. This will enable you to analyze debts on invoices and track payments.